Welcome to Self Healing Channel. Yog Mudra Ayurvedic Acupressure, Cough, Cold and Sinus. Yog treatment diamond pose Vajrasan can be done at any time of the day. Improves blood flow and digestion power in the body. Also benefit in cough. Body become as strong as the thunderbolt. Pranayam do Kapalbhati and Surya Vedni Pranayam, right nostril breathing. Mudra Linga Mudra beneficial in cold, sinus, asthma and low blood pressure. The mudra generates heat in the body. Do it as per temperature of body and climate. Ayurveda honey is considered very beneficial. Drink warm water, mix turmeric powder with honey and consume it thrice a day. Mix pepper powder and 1 spoon of honey. Drink ginger tea, take ginger and mix honey. Acupressure 5 minutes pressure on points. Meditation. You can start meditation from 5 minutes. Keep increasing the time of meditation. Please like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.